VP Inday, what is the reaction of your father when he saw his 4 children for the very first time since his illegal detention inside the ICC detention facility?
Saya siya. He's been informed of it since Friday of last week nung tatlo na kami ang bumisita at sinabihan na siya na ay nag-aantay na lang ng isa. And the Wednesday this week, meron kaming approved visit na kaming 4. So masaya siya na nakakausap niya kami. At medyo maingay kanina kasi 4 sabay-sabay na nagsasalita. At some point, sinabi ni Basti na hindi na ako magsasalita kasi walang nakikinig sa akin. So, medyo siguro, na-miss niya yung ganon, na discussions, na labo-labo, sabay-sabay nagsasalita lahat. At masaya siya na nakabisita kami 4.